it was intentional, but INEC lawyers today in court admitted that a candidate must score 25% in the FCT to be declared winner. This was how it happened. Let me break it down. It was during the cross-examination of witnesses. And then the INEC lawyer was cross-examining one of the PDP witnesses. And then INEC lawyer asked the witness, he said, do you realize that Atiku didn't score 25% in the FCT? Then the PDP witness said, yes. INEC lawyer then said, since he didn't get 25% in the FCT, do you know that he can't be declared president? Then the PDP witness replied. He said, even Tinubu didn't score 25% in the FCT and you made him president. And it was a very serious moment that got the whole court laughing. It was really serious, but the whole court burst out laughing because the irony, the hypocrisy of it all. Then at this point, the INEC lawyer became confused. Then he said, that's not my question. Atiku scored 15% in the FCT. Why did you write in your testimony that he should be declared president? This is INEC lawyer asking the PDP witness now. Then the PDP witness replied. He said, because even Tinubu did not get 25% in the FCT, if they can declare him, then they can also declare Atiku president. And the court went hysterical again. And it just pains me that this was not televised. Why didn't these people televise this thing? Nigerians deserve to see all this in court. And I think they really refused to televise this just to avoid the pressure that would have been on the judiciary from the public. Because imagine if this was televised and the whole Nigeria was watching. Ordinarily, this admission from INEC should nullify the elections. Because these are INEC lawyers now talking about this 25% being sacrosanct with their own mouth. Now, I'm just thinking that one of two things must have happened here. One, it is either the INEC lawyers were so occupied and they were carried away with trying to just discredit the testimony of Atiku's witness that they forgot that 25% issue they were raising was against their own declaration or is against their own declaration too. Or either the INEC or the lawyers are intentionally trying to just throw away this case. They are trying to lose the case intentionally because openly you have used the same 25% argument to discredit your own announcement. Now, whether it was intentional, whether it was a mistake, remains a subject for another day. That remains a mystery. What is conspicuous, what is clear here is that only one candidate scored 25% in FCT in that courtroom, and that is His Excellency Peter Obi. And I know his lawyers are watching, they are listening. The judges of the appeal court, the judges of the tribunal, they are watching, they are listening. Everybody can see how the INEC lawyers have laid this bare. Now them use their own mouth, talk them now. Peter Obi lawyers have not even brought up the 25% issue. Now INEC lawyers use their own mouth, they confirm them now. Now they could raise the argument of context. They may say the context within which the INEC lawyer said it was different. But the thing is, one may argue that INEC lawyers were just trying to discredit the testimony of the PDP witness using the 25%. You know, the PDP witness had written that Atiku should be declared president. So maybe INEC was just trying to discredit that using the 25%. But in law, there is something called admissible evidence. If while trying to discredit the testimony of Atiku's witness, then INEC, you don't see anything in the world to use to discredit it. Now 25%, you can't go pick. If while trying to discredit the testimony of Atiku's witness, you admit that 25% is compulsory, that is admissible evidence, then Obi's lawyers can now use it against you when they bring up the case of 25%. And that's exactly what INEC did here. They gave away admissible evidence by saying that, are you aware that Atiku did not score 25%? If Atiku scored 15%, why are you now asking that we should declare him president? It means you are saying anybody that did not score 25% should not even think about being declared president. It's simple. This thing is simple. No need for any further argument. INEC, una don't finish matter. We just waste our time. They go up and down since we don't know say INEC una will come finish.